Hi, it's Angie with the Pikes Peak Library District. Today I'm going to show you how to make your very own Coping Strategies Fortune Teller Craft. My goal here today is to show you how you can pivot your negative emotions into positive emotions. The reason for that is when you recognize the patterns of your emotions, you are practicing self-care. And practicing self-care is focusing on your well-being. So I'm going to grab myself a piece of paper. Don't like that one. So, piece of paper. This size. Writing size. Okay. Then the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take this corner and we're going to put it up to right here into this corner, right there. So the side of the paper. Okay. So, this corner is going to the side of the paper. Fix down a little. Perfect. So now that we've done that, we're going to take this corner and bring it up to this part of the paper. So a little bendy fold right there. Okay. So when you do that, you're going to have something that looks like this. There's the back. There's the front. Now we do not need any of this piece of paper because we're going to need a perfect square. So we're going to take it off. I'm going to take it off by just folding it. Of course you can use scissors. Don't have scissors. So fold it. I'm going to tear it off. Okay. So now it's going to look like this. And when you open up the piece of paper, what happened? So when you open up the piece of paper, it's going to turn into a square. So you're going to take these edges and take them to the center of your paper. So start with the edges. I'll show you both. I'll show you two sides. So flap, flap, and you bend these down to the center. Perfect. I almost got it done here. Okay, great. So it's going to look like this. So now that you have it looking like this, you're going to want to flip it and do the same with these corners. Take these corners to the center. Feel free to follow along, or you can go ahead and pause and follow along. Or you have the directions that are going to be in the description box, which I'm going to make a PDF for the description box. Perfect. PDF or maybe a link. You'll see in the description box. So now, those corners are folded. When you flip it again, you're going to see these pockets. And then you're going to see the flaps, and the flaps are working. You're going to put your little fortunes on the side of the flaps. Okay, so we're going to have you fold your paper in half. And while you fold your paper in half, you're going to fold it again in another half. Perfect. Okay, now that you have it done, you're going to take your two fingers and you're going to take it to the sides of the inside pockets. So when it's folded, you got these two right here, and then the two fingers on the other one. That might not come out perfect, but you're going to want to do the little stretching and pulling on the paper, so it does. So it's going to go like this. Perfect. So what it's going to look like is this is going to have color. The inside is going to have the numbers, and then the inside of that flap is going to have your fortune. Okay? So, because I have a finished product here it is. It's going to look like this. Colors, numbers, fortune. So I'm going to show you how to play the game. What you would start with is you'll ask a friend, or actually you'll ask yourself to pick a color. Red. R-E-D. You look at the numbers that are inside there, and I'll pick 3. 1, 2, 3. Then you look at those numbers. Ooh. You look at those numbers, and we'll do just 1. 1. Okay, so it tells you the numbers that are available. Pick any one. I'll pick 8. 8. Open up the flap, and that flap says create art. You can make more than one of these in order to help you with a certain part of the stress factors that you're having. This one I have right here says self-care, so this is my self-care one. And when I want to practice self-care and I really want to focus on figuring what should I do, I play the game, pick a tab, and it is draw a cat. Perfect. That's going to definitely help you. If you'd like to search for more things to learn, you can go to PPLD TV on YouTube. If you scroll, you'll see many activities for everyone. Here's a story that I did for Teen Happiness Vision Boards on self-care. And if you want to find us, you can go to ppld.org. You can go to the teen section, and you'll notice we are on social media. Just follow us, and you'll be able to find all the updated things that PPLD has to offer for young adults. Okay, so you completed your craft. It should look something like this. Colors, numbers, and in the flaps are going to be those special sentences that are going to help you cope with your emotions. Again, I'm Angie with the Pikes Peak Library District, and when you are feeling a strong emotion, feel free to pick up your craft and choose something that will help you make you feel a little bit better.